ब्रेक के बाद वेलकम करना तो is a must. So welcome back to Z Connect Season 2. Are you connected? And let's connect you to your very own city in the latest events and happenings on UAE Centric.
कौन कहता है हम अपने देश से दूर रह के संस्कारों के करीब नहीं है? मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं मानती। आज हम आपको लेके आए हैं इंडिया क्लब, जहां पे दुबई में रहने वाले भारतवासी अपना जन्माष्टमी बड़े धूमधाम से मना रहे हैं।
India Club in Dubai celebrated Janmashtami last week with lot of fun and galore, wherein about 1200 people attended the event. It was one of the only Dahi Handi celebrations held here in the Middle East. This is the 5th consecutive year India Club is organizing the Dahi Handi celebrations.
Janmashtami idea came to this club 5 years back. India Club has been playing the role of social, cultural and sports body in this part of the world, and it's very important that our young generation should be aware about our heritage and our culture, our mythology, and in that direction only this attempt has been made, and since 5 years this is going on.
It's a fabulous way of bringing the whole community together. We're very proud to be part of it. We put in a special effort to engage members and guests who come for this event. We're having a matki decoration competition this evening. There is kheer made with our newly launched rainbow sweetened condensed milk that's been prepared. So we put in a lot of effort to commensurate all the good work India Club does to make this a special event.
The highlight of the event was the pyramid formation to break the traditional pot or Dahi Handi by 2 groups. The other highlights of the event were also low mist fog, water sprinklers and foam pools, besides some music for dance.
तो देखा आपने, देश से दूर रह के भी हम आज उतने ही देश के करीब हैं।
After seeing that, even I want to try out some new stunts. But not now, as I'm going to take you to watch some new round of connections only on UAE Centric.
Dubai was enthralled with the presence of Bollywood heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor and the versatile actress Priyanka Chopra, who were in town to promote their latest film, Barfi, an upcoming Indian romantic comedy film directed by Anurag Basu.
Well, I think every movie adds something or the other to an actor's career. Barfi is I'm not saying it's a important film, it's a life and death film. It's a film that we all believed in. We believed in Anurag Basu's vision. He really had something to say with this film, and really had a blast while doing this. And I've taken so much from this film. So many good relationships that I made while making this film. Learned so much, about life, about acting, and I hope that I've improved as an actor. I do believe that every actor gets better with every film.
I think for me it's very instinctive. Like I have to feel like if this film was being made, I would want to go and watch it as an audience. And if I want to watch the film when I'm hearing the story, then I feel like being a part of it. And then of course your character and who the director is, and then who the producers and your actors, whatever.
The film also stars Elena De Cruz in the lead role.
My film school has been my career. I had to learn everything myself, from what a mark is, how to say your line, how do you look in the camera, how do you dance, everything. So it's been like going to school for me.
The content is very Hindi, but of course the form is new. We're trying something new with it. But I wouldn't like to call this an experiment. I think it's a piece of Anurag Basu's heart. It's a piece of all our hearts, and it's something which has made us very happy while making it. And I'm sure that will translate on screen, and the audiences will also go through a similar feeling when they see it.
After that exciting round of connections, you definitely need a break. So come back soon on Z Connect Season 2, just for you.